Now, I want to clarify that it's not all AI-related activities that are shred. For instance, data collection alone, a standard data collection process, model training alone, learning AI techniques or technologies, using existing AI model without modification. Guys, the baseline here for you is to ask yourself if the activities is just a well-established techniques, approach, or methodologies in the field of AI. If this is the case, this could be a standard practice and it could not be eligible as a shred. So the solution for that is to make sure that those kind of activities could be part of supporting activities for a well-defined AI project that have some technological uncertainty. For instance, here we have the typical case of data preparation. As you all know, in big data and in general data science project, data preparation using ETL or ELT can take a significant amount of time. So those processes are usually iterative and incremental process. And in those processes, sometimes you have to formulate hypotheses. You have to go validate those hypotheses. You have to take additional data. You have to extract new features. You have to combine data. So there are very challenging process which will justify in this case to be able to extract a shreddable activities out of that. Another one could be like you want to improve a model performance for a specific objective. So if this is the case, we all know that you need to have a result, to formulate hypotheses, to increase or improve that kind of result. Sometimes you have to fine tune your hyperparameters in your model. Sometimes you have to retrain model with new hypotheses. So those kind of activities also could be eligible. For your need also, you can have the need of combining existing well-established techniques in supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. All of that as well can be eligible. And finally, you can need to create ontologies to improve your knowledge base. So that list is not an exhaustive list, but the main takeaway here is to make sure that your activities have to have some kind of challenge, and also you need to have a well-justified AI-related shreddable project and justify the fact that all those activities are somehow diligent first and necessary work that needs to be performed to achieve the objective.